Hey, what's up, guys? In sports betting, there's always ups and downs, just like life. So yesterday we actually had a down day, and we're gonna keep pushing forward. One losing day doesn't kill us. Just check out this last week in the longer term trend. We went up 11 units. Again, one day does not kill us. Let's keep pushing forward. Let me show you the play for today. I'm looking at the under 1.5 hits for Jake Cronenworth. As you can see here, he's getting hits, but he's not going over this line of over 1.5. So he's gotten a total of 7 hits in the last 10 games. However, as you can see, that green line, he's only gone over this line one time. So that is a 10% hit rate. Now, the other thing I like about this is that if you look at the pitcher, he has an ERA of 2.57 against the Padres. The other thing I love actually is that Jake Cronenworth hasn't hit this line in 17 straight games on the road. Now, if you look at closer on the trends for Cronenworth versus Gibson, you can see that he's gone up to bat 11 times. He's only gotten 1 hit, so that's an 11% hit rate. If you love information like this, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you click on the link in the bio, it says Stan Store. You'll see the free picks right there as well. So the play for today is Jake Cronenworth from the Padres under 1.5 hits.